Hello student, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve 7th of January 2020 JEE Main Shift 1 question number 4. Find the area that is enclosed in the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2 and not common to area enclosed by the line y is equal to x and y square is equal to x. 4 options are given. Here given a circle x square plus y square is equal to 2, a parabola y square is equal to x and a straight line y is equal to x. These three are given. Let's plot the figure. At first, this is our x and y axis and this is our circle. This is our parabola and the line passing through the 0, 0 point, and this is x is equal to y, the straight line y is equal to x. This is the parabola y square is equal to x, and this one the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2. So we have that x square plus y square is equal to 2. This is the circle, and these 3 and y square is equal to x, the parabola, and y is equal to x, the straight line, coincide at the point 1, 1. Putting x is equal to y is equal to x is equal to y in this, y square is equal to y, that implies y square minus y is equal to 0, that implies y is equal to as y is not is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1, and from the circle it is proved that x is equal to 1 also, as x square plus y square is equal to 2. So these 3 are coincide at the point 1, 1. Now we have to subtract. This is our common area. This is our common area. This is our common area, which straight line makes with parabola and the circle. Not common area enclosed by the line. We have to find the not common area. So we subtract this area from the entire circle. We have subtract this area from entire circle. Is that clear? Now, area of the circle is pi r square, and this area is span 0 to 1. Clear? This area span 0 to 1, and take a vertical line in this, upon this straight line, just like that. So this area, we should calculate this area subtracting from the area of the circle. So pi r square is the area of the circle and minus this area is span 0 to 1. So integration 0 to 1 dx. X is equal to y is y means root of x minus of x. This integration. Is that clear? Now move on. So pi r square. R square is equal to what? We know r square is equal to 2 from the given circle. X square plus y square is equal to r square. So r square is equal to 2. And we may write pi r square is equal to, putting r square is equal to 2, and we may write pi r square is equal to 2 pi minus integrating this x to the power 3 by 2 divide 3 by 2 minus x square by 2 between the limit 0 to 1, that is equal to 2 pi minus 2 by 3, 1 to the power 3 by 2 means 2 by 3 minus half, and it is applying lower limit, it is 0. So 2 pi minus this is 6 and 2 4 minus 3, it is 2 pi minus 1 by 6. 1 by 6 common factor, then it becomes 12 pi minus 1, and we reached, this is our answer, and our option is option 2. So the full problem is, and the solution is just like that. That's all for today.